Hi guys, it's me. Today we're focusing on a projector that was built with a very clear purpose in mind. Long-term performance, serious brightness, and zero fuss. This is the Panasonic Solid Shine PT-FRZ60 DLP projector, and it's not trying to be trendy or compact. Instead, it's engineered to deliver dependable results day after day in spaces where failure simply isn't an option. One of the first things you notice with this projector is how effortlessly it handles bright environments. With a rated output of 6,000 lumens, this is the kind of projector that refuses to be overpowered by ambient light. Conference rooms with overhead lighting, classrooms with windows, or large venues with partial lighting all benefit from the sheer brightness on display here. Images remain bold, readable, and visually confident even when conditions are far from ideal. Resolution is WUXGA at 1920 by 1200, using a 16 by 10 aspect ratio. That extra vertical space compared to standard 1080p makes a noticeable difference when displaying documents, presentations, and detailed visuals. Text is sharper, charts are easier to read, and overall clarity feels more professional. For video playback, full HD content scales cleanly, delivering smooth motion and well-defined detail without distortion. At the core of this projector is Panasonic's Solid Shine laser technology. This is where the real value shows up over time. The laser light source is rated for up to 20,000 hours in normal operation, eliminating the need for lamp replacements entirely. That means fewer interruptions, lower maintenance costs, and consistent brightness throughout its lifespan. It's the kind of feature that matters most after months and years of real-world use. Contrast performance is rated at 20,000 to 1, and in practical use, the image has excellent balance. Bright scenes stay controlled without looking harsh, while darker scenes retain detail instead of turning flat. For a high-output DLP projector, the depth and consistency of the image are genuinely impressive, making it suitable not only for presentations but also for video content and large-screen viewing. Installation flexibility is another strong point. The projector supports ceiling installation, front projection, and rear projection, making it adaptable to a wide range of environments. Alignment features help fine-tune the image without excessive effort, which is especially useful for permanent installations where repositioning the unit isn't practical. Despite the high brightness output, the projector manages heat and noise efficiently. Fan noise remains at a level that doesn't distract during meetings, lectures, or extended viewing sessions. This balance between performance and comfort is something that often gets overlooked, but it makes a big difference in everyday use. Connectivity and system integration are clearly aimed at professional users. HDMI inputs, digital connections, and network control support allow the projector to fit seamlessly into existing AV systems. Whether it's connected to a laptop, media player, or centralized control setup, it operates smoothly and reliably. This projector isn't designed for casual home users looking for portability, and that's intentional. It's built for organizations, institutions, and serious users who need something they can trust to perform consistently. Schools, offices, training centers, event venues, and even high-brightness home theater setups will all find value here. In the end, the Panasonic Solid Shine PT-FRZ60 is about confidence. You install it, you power it on, and it delivers exactly what it promises without surprises. And in professional environments, that reliability is often more valuable than any flashy feature. If you want to buy this Panasonic Solid Shine PT-FRZ60 DLP projector, then please visit the link provided in the description.